Hello everybody and welcome to another Journal with Me video. Today I am working in a brand new insert. I'm very excited to get started in this. I have done a singular layout. The printable on the first page is from Sterling Ink, and then the second page was actually items from someone that sent something to my P.O. box, and I just loved the vibe right away, so I just went ahead and threw it on a page and called it good. I didn't want to lose anything, and I didn't want to put it away and forget about it, so I just went ahead and put it straight to work. And the kit that I'm using today is from Your Creative Studio. I haven't used this kit as much as I wanted to, but I am making changes to that because it's definitely one of my favorite. It's been kind of difficult to film. We are coming into that time of year where the sun does not give me the greatest sunlight until later in the afternoon, and the babies are usually home from school, so I think I'm going to have to figure out some kind of lighting situation, just because I can't keep doing the things that I'm doing and still focus on filming regularly. I didn't have very much time at all this week in my office, which I'm thankful for. Luckily, I was able to get Patreon out on Monday, and also had to take my father-in-law shopping. He had a stroke over the summer and still requires help doing his shopping and errands and stuff, so I took him grocery shopping on Monday. Tuesday, I think I stayed home, but I don't remember really what I did. It can't have been that special or important. I think, oh, that's right. I think I had lunch with my husband, and Wednesday I had to take him to go get some dental work done. And then Tuesday we also had the Boy Scouts or the Cub Scouts with the kids. And I don't need to run through my whole week. It's just been a crazy week, and it is not getting any easier for some reason. So I definitely need to figure out the lighting situation, because I keep putting off my filming until the light gets better, but then the kids are home from school and the babies just aren't napping anymore. I knew this day would come, but it's definitely been a struggle. So yeah. Anyway, moving on. I'm using the Your Creative Studio kit. This is the Flower kit. I don't know what month it's from. I'm getting my kits way after everybody else is, and they're not labeled with a month anymore, so this is the Flower kit. Yeah, but I hope everybody is doing well, other than being totally overwhelmed and so busy, not doing any of the things that I want or need to do. I know that this season too shall pass, and so I am just accepting it. Today I actually had plans to go to the chiropractor, and I almost canceled because I just felt so much guilt for it being Friday and I not having gotten a lot done in my office, and I was really feeling guilty about that, and had my cancellation text message all ready to go. And I was actually meeting up with my cousin, or my husband's cousin, and she was going to the chiropractor at the same time I was, so I just went ahead and went, and we turned it into like a girls' morning day thing. It was amazing. It was so incredibly special. I really didn't realize how much I needed the self-care. I had really been lacking in socialization. My husband's been working a lot with this new job, so we really aren't socializing a whole lot, or as much as we used to. And it was just nice. You know, we got to go to some of my favorite shops. We were able to visit a local bakery and try out a pumpkin pie for the start of the autumn season, which was incredible, because we were able to eat it outside. The weather has finally cooled down enough where we're able to be outside and not want to die. So that was really nice. We were able to just really spend time, and I really was in a really bad place physically. That's why I desperately needed my chiropractor. I had woken up yesterday and my hips were just wrecked. I couldn't focus on anything because I was just hurting so much after 4 children, 3 of them being boys, and just sitting low on my hips. My hips are wrecked, and I had been doing a really good job of going to the chiropractor and taking care of myself and doing the work to heal my body and to get it back to where it was before I had all these kids. And life intervened and I just couldn't afford to go anymore. And with my husband's new job, we were finally able to afford going to places like the chiropractor and going to the doctor and the dentist and being able to take care of our bodies again after years of neglect. So it just felt really good to sort of have that moment of self-care. And if there's any message that or inspiration that you get from the video that you're watching, please just let it be when your self-care or taking care of yourself is getting in the way of anything else you're doing, just prioritize that, because I just felt so much better just going to a couple of shops, sitting outside and eating a mini pie and just talking with someone that I greatly respect and just hold dear to me, and just having that time to just not worry about anything. It was a really great focus shifter, and I feel 1,000 times better because of it. My back is definitely sore because the chiropractor ain't no joke, and I was in bad shape and she had a lot of work to do, so I'm currently sat on an ice pack burnt into my back because your girl is sore for sure, but I'll be better because of it. So yeah, I hope that you guys are all doing well. I definitely struggled with this journaling experience, I guess. I think I was just really overwhelmed with the amount of product that I had on my desk. I put the entire kit out on my desk. I spread it all out, and typically I don't do that. Typically I just choose a handful of items to journal with so that I can force myself to make it work. And I don't know what I was thinking, but I just poured the whole thing on my desk, and I just got really overwhelmed with all of the product that I was seeing and couldn't figure out a way to use it, and ended up basically doing the exact same spreads, covering the same corners twice in a row. And then I realized what I was doing and had to change course, but I still had fun. I'm really into this craft insert. It's been a while since I've used a craft insert, like years actually. And I don't think this is a fancy one at all. It's definitely not Traveler's Company. I think it's an insert that I got inside of the London Gifties leather cover that I got 2 or 3 Christmases ago. I think it was 2 years ago. And she included 3 inserts in that leather cover, which I thought was an absolute steal, but I had no shortage of inserts. And so this one just got put away and forgotten about. And when I was pulling out an empty insert to use for September or August and September, I found this one and it worked perfectly, and I'm really into it. I really hope the ink holds up. I haven't actually started journaling in it yet. Definitely because I wanted to get some layouts done so that when I do sit down and do my journaling, I don't have to get stopped if I end up having enough time to get through more than 3 pages. So I definitely want to do a few more journal layouts before I sit down and start getting that done, because I tend to work better when I can do that. So I am a little bit nervous with how the paper is going to hold up, but stay tuned. You'll find out. If not, I'll just have to use a gel pen for the entire notebook. But yeah, other than that, everything is going well. I'm absolutely hammered busy. I'm really hoping to focus on my Etsy shop next week and really start taking photographs of all the listings that I want to do. I have got some new products coming into play. I'm just waiting for a few things to get delivered before I can put that into manufacturing. But if you liked my Telegram notepads, stay tuned, because I've got at least 2, possibly 3 coming your way in the next few months. I'm going to try to get a new Christmas one out in time for Christmas this year. And I'm hoping for 2 new notepads in the new year. One of them is just going to be like generalized, and the other one is going to be sort of based around holidays. So stay tuned for that. I'm really excited about it. I found some really good things online, and I'm really hoping I can make it work in time for you guys for Christmas this year, because last year they went really well. Actually, both of them have done really well. So I'm really hoping I can focus on that next week and start getting some listings up so that you guys can start doing some Christmas shopping. I'm definitely going to prioritize Christmas first, and then everything else after that. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, if you're excited about anything, if there was anything that came up in the past that you loved and you want to see again, or something that you want that I might have, or anything you've seen me use or share and you're super excited about it, just let me know down below. I'm going to bring it in a little bit closer so you can see some of the details. I didn't really get very intricate in any of the little clusters, but I figured I would bring it in for you guys anyway. Like I said, this one really threw me for a loop. But I hope you like it anyway, and that you have found some kind of inspiration from this video. I'll leave everything you need to find your creative studio down below, and I will catch you guys later. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Subscribe if you are not already, and I'll catch you later. Thanks. Bye.